Hello guys, ayan po, katatapos po nating magsampay, labadami, lawango, Washington Day guys. But what I am going to show you guys is my 1 hectare garden here. Anyway guys, I'm just happy showing you what I have here in the rooftop. So I have here 3 aloe veras, you see, and I thought it will die last winter, but you see guys, they are surviving. I have here also guys, these are sweet potatoes. This is white guys, and the other one is, this sweet potato is orange. So you see, here I planted guys, you see, this is bitter melon. All I have here are bitter melon, and here I have alugbati. I don't know how do we call that in English. These are alugbati guys, from Sislorico in Germany guys. So I have here, these are alugbati and bitter melon. We have bitter melon here also in alugbati. And then here guys, what you see, these are robust wild spinach. So I took some seeds of wild spinach when we go to the mountain, and you see guys, I have now here. And this guys, what you can see here, these are water spinach or kangkong. Mega love shout out sis Simply, sis Nicole. You see, I have some plants of water spinach here. I hope it will grow. They will grow, I should say. You see, these are water spinach guys, and I have here also, you see the difference. And I have here also guys, this is tomato cherry. I have 2, you see. It's very noisy guys, because I think they are renovating a flat. And also this is leek guys, you see, I have here. And then what more I am going to show you guys, you see, this time guys, I have also here tomato. What I'm going to show you guys, this is my compost. You see, I mix here the skin of fruits and vegetables. So all you can see here, the soil I use here are all compost guys, you see. So this time I have here also green, what we call these peppers guys, these are peppers. So this time I have here also guys the water spinach I mix here. So this time we are going to take some wild spinach, and I'm going to mix it with my mungo, my mung bean. So you see guys, I'm very happy because you see, the spinach are robust. So I am going to take one. I hope if you want, you will accompany me guys. I will leave some wild spinach so that I can have seeds in the future, because if I will take all, I don't have nothing. So shout out po sa mga Ilocanos dyan na kumakain po ng spinach. Kalunay po ito sa English, ay sa Ilocano I should say, sorry. Kalunay po sa Ilocano. Ayan. Organic po siya guys. No fertilizers added. No pesticides, you see. Now you see guys, if I remove the wild spinach here, you can appreciate the water spinach, you see. So ayan, may pangmunggo na po ako guys. I will take some and I will leave some also. Ayan, magkatabi po yung yung spinach, and ayan, ang dami. Ayan, sis Lori, halika na. Mag-harvest tayo ng spinach. Mag-iwan lang ako guys ng ilan na spinach para may pang seeds tayo. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan po, water spinach din po yan, kangkong. Hindi pa siya lumalabas. Ayan. Ayan po yung isa. So, you see guys. Ayan. Kung may itinanim, may aanihin. Sabi ni sis Katja. Ayan. Ayan, may kamote pa po ako dito. Oh. Ayan. I'm still growing sweet potatoes there guys. I am trying to sprout. Ayan po guys. Kitang-kita na yung water spinach natin, yung kangkong. Ayan, diba? Ayan, tanggalan po natin ito. Wait, at ano. Hawak-hawak ko kasi guys yung ano ko. Yung aking cellphone. Ayan. Siguro sabi ni husband, anong ginagawa ko na naman dito sa taas. So guys, hindi ako masyadong busy sa YT these days because you know guys, nag-start na po tayong mag-work. So, pasensya po sa mga hindi ko nasusupport these days. At alam nyo naman po kung sino na lang po talaga yung pumupunta sa channel ko. Sila na lang po yung napupuntahan ko kasi you know guys, wala na talaga akong masyadong time. So sorry for the inconvenience if I am late supporting your channel guys. So there you go, you see it's now clean guys. You can't see anymore the water spinach, the wild spinach I should say. So I still have here some water spinach guys. You see this? Those are water spinach. Ayan, marami po tayong makukuhang kalunay guys. Ayan. Shout out bro or bossing DJM Mix Vlog. Ayan. May pamunggo na ako. Di mo ako pinadalhan ng munggo kaya. Ayan. Sis Katja, marami ka ng kalunay dyan sa garden mo ha. Mamigay ka naman. Ayan. O, diba? Nakarami na tayo. Marami pa akong ano guys. Dun sa baba. Nagpapatubo pa ako ng ganito. Para may ma-harvest ako ulit. O, diba? Nakarami na ako. Ayan. Oh my God. Ayan. May pangmunggo na tayo guys. Ayan, oh, balat ng saging. Ayan, para mabawasan yung ano dito. Yung, ayan po. Dati guys, marami akong mga tanim dito sa taas. May ampalaya, mga ganun. Last year kasi, kumbaga nawalan ako ng gana magtanim. So, as in talaga, ang dami dito noon guys, ang dami kong mga ano, yung mga bago kong upload, nung bago pa lang yung channel ko, pinapakita ko guys yung mga ampalaya ko, mga ganun. So, this time guys, I am starting again. I don't know, the past years I wasn't okay. So, now I think I am feeling better, so, here I am again. With my plants. Ayan. Sayang kasi yung lupa kung dadalhin ko lahat. Ano yun? So, shout out po sa mga OFWs dyan. Ayan. Yung mga hindi nakakatikim ng mga gulay natin sa Pinas. Kung may space po kayo. Bala itong rooftop po ng building namin guys. Kung minsan umaakyat yung mga aso ng mga kapitbahay namin. Kaya nung isang araw, nainis ako kasi yung ito guys, punong-puno yan ng lupa. Tapos, kinalaykay ng ng aso ng kapitbahay namin. So, inis na inis ako guys. So, ayan. May sili kasi dito, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Nagiging morena na tayo sa araw. O, diba? May sili kasi guys, o, dito, o, diba? Ano ba naman itong itong camera ng phone ko guys. Very ano siya, ano ba yun? Masyado bang malapit? Oh, ayan. So kung saan-saan ko nilagay yung seeds ng kalunay. O diba? Ayan. So ayan guys, iiwan ko yung ano guys, ito malaki para may pang seeds tayo. Ayan, okay na siguro to guys. Isa lang naman akong kakain nito kasi yung mga amo ko ayaw naman nila ng kalunay at munggo. Ako lang naman kumakain guys. O ito guys, spinach din yan, kangkong. O diba? So ngayon, ito yung dinidiligan ko pag gabi. Ayan, spray natin konti para diniligan ko na kagabi yan guys, pero okay lang nadiligan siya ng konti. Ito siguro pwede ko pang tamnan kasi kulang, konti lang yung tumubo. Ayan. So thank you so much guys for your support to my channel. I will update you guys pag malalaki na po yung ano natin, mga tanim natin dito sa 1 hectare bottled garden ni Leilani. Ayan. Nag-iwan po ako ng kalunay para may pang harvest po tayo in the future. Tatago ulit natin yung seeds. Ayan. So thank you so much guys. Happy Sunday everyone. O ayan, may nagtapon pa ng ano ng sigarilyo dito. Talaga nakakainis yung mga kapitbahay namin guys. So thank you so much guys for your support. Adios, au revoir. Ayan. Ang dami po nating na harvest.